Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Allison and this is Ellie at the helm. Today I am going to be doing my meal plan and grocery haul. My husband is working now. He's been working like 12-hour days, and it's Saturday and he is working in an 8-hour shift. So lots and lots of overtime for him. But because of that, I am taking on the responsibility of filming this by myself. And we already discussed what we wanted to make for dinners this week. And then we decided to go grocery shopping together. So I'm going to try a different format for these. I know that normally I go through my recipe binder and I flip through them until I find everything that we want to make this week. And then I make my grocery list and then I go shopping and show you my grocery haul. Because my husband is working and we have to have the choosing our dinner conversation a little bit different, I'm going to try a new format. So I'm going to list our menu and then I will list our grocery list and then I will show you the haul. And I hope that you guys enjoy that setup as well. I know it is different than before, but we're going to try to do it this way and see how it goes. So first I'm going to show you our menu for the week. And I'm going to try to link as many of the recipes that I can find in the description below. And a couple of these are just recipes, like family recipes, but I will see if I can get those posted as well. And then this is the grocery list for the week. And that's my cat Penny playing. And so now that you've seen our menu for the week and you've seen the grocery list for the week, I am going to let you know. So the chili, we already used what we had on hand from the previous week. And so none of those items are on the list. And that is a family recipe. Again, I'm going to see, it's my husband's recipe. I'm going to see if he's okay with me posting it. If not, then any chili recipe that you go to will work. And then a couple of these are HelloFresh recipes, and not all of them are listed on their website. So I will see about at least finding something similar. And then we will go grocery shopping really quick. And then I will be back with the grocery haul. So let's go grocery shopping. This setup here is from Aldi. And then we also went to Target and our local grocery store. So I'm gonna pan over and then just show you all that we got from Aldi. We did stock up, as you can see, all of these canned items. We made a huge batch of chili so that we could freeze some and eat some. That way, if we're feeling in a pinch with my husband's current schedule, we can just pull it out of the freezer. So we're kind of future-proofing for that. All right, I'm going to turn you this way and then walk you through what we got at Aldi. All right, so from Aldi, we got spinach, cilantro, 2 bags of apples, 2 loaves of bread, some zucchini, 2 Romas, 4 bags of baby carrots, some blueberries, cherry tomatoes, some Kaiser buns. We're going to be making burgers, as you saw. We also have peanut butter, strawberry jelly, raspberry jelly, 2 bags of sugar snap peas, some tomato paste, and then we also got, this is like a dupe for Rotel tomato with chilies. And then I'm just gonna pan you this way and show you the rest. Okay, and then the rest we had 2 bundles of bananas. We are eating a lot more smoothies lately, so we're overbuying on bananas and they're so cheap. So we picked up 2 bundles. We got 2 cans of kidney beans, 8 cans of black beans, 4 cans of diced tomatoes, 4 cans of chili beans, 4 cans of sweet corn, 2 cans of chickpeas, a very large pack of chicken. This will last for a bit, so my husband will take this and divide it into different servings, and then we'll freeze them. And then lastly from Aldi is this salami. So that's it from Aldi. And now the next clip will be from Target. All right, so this is the Target haul. We got 2 containers of strawberries, 3 rice milks. This is our favorite plant-based milk. We got 1 shallot and 1 jalapeno, 2 lemons, some plant-based deli meat, 2 bags of edamame. We got some coconut milk, yogurt, unsweetened. I use it as sour cream. It tastes just like sour cream to me. Then we got some soups, and we got some plant-based cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, some garlic stuffed olives. I love olives. And then lastly, 2 bags of chips. And the last store we went to was a local grocery store called Cub Foods, and that will be the next clip. Here we are, the last little haul for the week. So this is from our local grocery store, and they have a lot of gluten-free items that I like to pick up there. So I picked up some hamburger buns, some sourdough bread, and then they also had vegan plant-based chicken, some Old Bay seasoning for a recipe that we're doing. That was my cat Torch. Silken tofu we're going to be using to create a plant-based heavy cream, sun-dried tomatoes, and then Castelvolturno olives. Those are my favorite olives ever. If you like olives and you've never tried these, try these. They're so buttery and amazing. So that is it. Oops, didn't mean to shake you there. That is it for the week. This is the total. And if you want to try any of the recipes this week, any that I could find are linked in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, I hope you have a lovely day, and happy budgeting and happy meal planning. Bye!